Do you want to know how you can use ChatGPT on your mobile device? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use ChatGPT on your phone. Go ahead and install ChatGPT from the Play Store. Open it and you can see this is the login interface. If you have a Google account, go ahead and click login with Google account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. So go ahead and click sign in with Google. In a while you can see that you will be logged into your ChatGPT account using your Google account. So after you pass this interface, you can notice that you are good to go. So go ahead and click continue and you can see this is the user interface. To give prompts, you can write down whatever you want. If you want to use the voice command, click on this microphone option and you can start recording. You can see that this is introducing voice conversations. So
hey, it's great to meet you.
You can choose your avatar or your voice. And after you do so, you can listen to what ChatGPT said and want to see all of your. You can click on this option over here, which is called this 3 lines. So in a while, all of your prompts will appear over here. You can search your prompts from this search bar and then you can see that it will load up perfectly fine. So you can edit it over here by clicking on these 3 dots. You can see there are some functions like view details, share, rename, archive, delete, and temporary chat as well. So for you, in order to open a new chat, all you need to do is tap on the 2 lines over here, click on ChatGPT, and you can start giving prompts to ChatGPT. If you want to explore more about ChatGPT or GPTs, click on the link which is called Explore GPTs. It will give you access to some of the public GPTs which are available. So this was a short video on how you can use ChatGPT on your mobile device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.